Hello traders, welcome to Keep Calm and Trade. Okay, let's see what happened today. Today I have not traded so far. Okay, so Bank Nifty is very bullish and even the overall market is very bullish. I have marked few trading opportunity which I missed. Okay, so market open gap up here. Okay, after gap up, it continuously took support in this area so I have marked it with the rectangle. Okay, so as soon as that, once the price coming out of that area and this trend line was broken, one buying opportunity was formed here. Okay, so this is a buying opportunity, keeping the stop loss just below the swing low. Okay, so we can go for 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 2. Okay, 1 is to 2 target is achieved. Okay, this is one trading opportunity. And after this, market started trading inside the rising wedge, which I have already discussed. Okay, rising wedge, the logic and the probability of rising wedge is once the price is trading inside this channel, the probability becomes high of breaking and retesting and going down. Okay, so in the same way, there is one more trading opportunity here, that is shorting after the breakdown retest. Okay, so the stop loss will be very minimal here, swing high, okay, or day high, and you can see 1 is to 1.5 easily achieved, or 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 2. So that will be our minimum risk to reward. Okay, so this is one more trading opportunity. Okay, I'll delete this. Okay, after this rising wedge channel breakout, you can see the price started trading inside the falling wedge. So what is the logic behind the falling wedge? This is the falling wedge. So whenever the price is going like this, the chances and probability becomes high to break out. Okay, and retest and go out. So this is the logic of a falling wedge. Today is an uptrend day, so the probability of this pattern becomes high than this pattern, because this falling wedge concept works when the market is in downtrend. This rising wedge pattern works more efficiently when there is a uptrend. Okay, so you can see here, after this you can see the breakout happened of the falling wedge. Okay, the trend line retested. Okay, so it went up again, it came down to retest the trend line again. So what we will do is, we could have waited for one more breakout, double breakout confirmation, which will be more efficient. So after this double breakout, we could have made an entry long position here. Okay, keeping this as stop loss. If 35 points looks very less, you can take this swing low as your stop loss, that is 54 points. You can go for 1 is to 2 target easily. Okay, so the target is achieved. So three trading opportunities, all the three trading opportunities were in success today. Okay, but I have not traded anything. These were the opportunities I just analyzed. Okay, if at all, what we can expect now is, okay, market is continuously going up, so it is making a flag pattern here. This is the flag pattern, this is the pole of the flag. This is what I am currently observing. If it gives a breakout and retest, chances will be very high, the price will go up. But the flag pattern which is formed near the day's high is a risky, because the price is already expensive here, so people want to buy at a discounted price. So the flag pattern near the day's high is little risky. I'm not saying it will never go up, it will go up, but it's a risky trade. Okay, so people want to buy at the discounted price, so they might wait for a retracement somewhere around here. Like for example, if I connect this low and this one, so there is no healthy retracement so far. Okay, so people will wait and wait for this level retracement and this level retracement. Okay, taking these as a support, the price might reverse. Okay, so I'll keep you updated guys. Thank you. Welcome back traders. I just explained about the triangle here. See, you can see a breakout is happened for the triangle. Okay, so we will not make any immediate entry here. So we'll just wait for a retracement and healthy retracement. And as I just mentioned, trading the triangle pattern for a breakout near the day's high is little risky because people might wait for a discounted price, and people might start booking the profits also, so it might come down and hit your stop loss. So we will wait, guys. Okay, I'll keep you updated. Thank you. Welcome back, traders. I just explained about the flag pattern breakout. Okay, so in fact I did not trade, to be frank. Okay, I missed trading it, but I was tracking this. You can see the risk to reward around 1:2 easily achieved. Okay, so that's what, guys. Price action is all about mastering few patterns, support and resistance, and it's a zero indicator game. Okay, so if I trade anything, I'll keep you updated, guys. Okay, thank you. Welcome back, traders. You can see I'm observing this pattern. Okay, so connected low and high with the Fibonacci tool, and this is 0.236 level support and previous support, previous resistance. So I have marked this demand zone. Okay, so let's see wherever which side it breaks. Okay, so it looks like, okay, so it has given a upper breakout here. Okay, so I'll just wait for a retest. Once the price comes here, I'll try to make the entry because we have a demand zone here, and this we can place a proper stop loss also. If I get here, I can place a very minimal stop loss of around 30-40 points. Okay, so I'll keep you updated, guys. Thank you. Okay, traders, I missed this opportunity also. Okay, I was waiting for a retest, but since the market is very bullish today, so a very big green candle formed, so I missed the opportunity. Okay, let's wait, guys. If I can get any other opportunity, I have marked here. Okay, and you can see the target is 1:1.5, which we generally take, is easily achieved here. Okay, guys, I'll keep you updated about any other trading opportunities. Thank you. Traders, today every breakout looks very easy because the market is completely bullish. So for any breakout, just draw a small trend line, entry, place a stop loss, and take the target. So looking at a bullish market, people think trading breakouts are very easy, but when the market is sideways, trading breakouts is very tricky. Okay, so still there are no positions for me. I'm just observing the market, and I missed a lot of opportunities today. Okay, let's see, guys. If I trade anything, I'll keep you updated.